What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and today is my birthday. Today I turn 32 years old, and I was thinking, what can I make a video on today? I'm not really one to announce birthdays, make a big crazy, hey, look at me. I don't ever really check Facebook when Facebook puts your default happy birthday, Robert thing, and you get a whole bunch of messages from people you haven't talked to in years, and they all say happy birthday, and you don't respond to those. I'm not really big on broadcasting this, but I was thinking I need a video for today, and the video is going to go live on Monday, which happens to be my birthday. So let's see if I can make something relevant as it pertains to that fact. The fact is that I'm 32 years old today, and I am loving life, and I want that feeling and sensation for everybody. When I was in my 20s, I was oftentimes thinking, what is life going to look like when I am in my 30s? What's it going to look like when I'm in my 40s? I tend to break years down via the manifestos that I publish at the beginning of every year, as opposed to doing New Year's resolutions and things of that nature. I think having a theme and a manifesto makes a lot more sense. And then when it comes to birthdays and things like that, I oftentimes break it up into decades. Like, what are my 20s going to look like? What are my 30s going to look like? 40s, 50s, etc. And in my 20s, I was in college in the beginning of that. I did my first competition in 2012. I was starting businesses. I didn't really have a clue. I wasn't really making much momentum. I was lost. I was depressed. I was broke. I didn't really know what my life would look like beyond that because there was just no foundation. Whereas now that I'm in my 30s, we've had the Keto Brick business for over 5 years now. Keto Savage went live in 2017. That was the moment where I felt like I had something that I could hold on to and run with and act as a vehicle to add value to this world beyond just my own selfish desires. And then met Crystal in my late 20s. She's now my wife, and we have a great, flourishing relationship. And we now have a son, Rigel. He's 1.5 years old at the time of this recording. And I'm excited about my 30s. I'm excited to keep growing the business. We've got a great team. I'm excited to keep building it alongside them. We've got an awesome community. All of y'all watching, all of y'all that buy the bricks, read the newsletters, listen to the podcast. I just feel like I've got something tangible that I can be proud of. If I was to die today at 32 years old, I would die with a smile on my face. I would die feeling proud of what I've accomplished thus far. Yes, there's a million things I still want to do. There's so much that I have left that I want to provide and do and experience. There's so many things in the pipeline. So I would be frustrated not to have a chance to do that. But I'd be able to smile at the fact that I'm happy in life right now. And I came from a place where that wasn't the case. I was depressed, and I struggled with eating disorders. I felt like my relationships were on the rocks, and it just wasn't good. It was darkness. And now I'm not in the darkness. There's dark times, but I'm not inundated with it at all times. And I'm excited to wake up every single morning early to start the day. And I want that sensation, that feeling for everyone. Yes, I have struggles. We all have struggles. But at 32 years old, I can confidently say that I'm proud of what I've accomplished thus far, and I'm incredibly excited for what is to come every single day. And that is something that I am forever grateful for. So as I take today as a birthday and just reflect on what that means, I'm going to make it a point to be extra present with those around me, my family, my friends, the comments I read online, just everything in its essence. I'm deep, deep, deep into this competition prep right now, and this prep has forced me to be present and grateful and exercise that gratitude more so than ever. So it's like a perfect timing that it's coming today as well. But I just honestly am filled with that gratitude, and I want to just relay that message to y'all. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all making this my reality and making this reality a possibility, because I couldn't do it without y'all. I couldn't do it without the support of y'all. I couldn't do it without y'all. I mean, y'all, I've said it multiple times, but you are my oxygen. When I first read a business book that talked about pouring into a community, finding a niche focus, finding and creating value around that passion and pouring it out for others to benefit from. That seemed like a sensible thing to do, but I didn't know what it would look like once it was manifested. Now that it's being manifested and tangible, I can live and breathe it every single day. And I want you to know, beyond a shadow of a doubt, that I appreciate you, that you make the life that I'm living and the life that I'm loving a reality. And I don't ever take that for granted. And I won't take that for granted whether I'm 32 years old or 57 years old or 93 years old, because I have no intentions of an exit strategy. I have no intentions of deviating from the course that I'm on, because the course that I'm on has brought me so much happiness in life. I'm excited for what tomorrow holds. I'm excited for what the future holds. And I'm excited to take you along through every step of the journey as I age, as my wife ages, as our team ages, as this business grows, as my son gets older. Here I am wearing a shirt that we made that says husband, daddy, protector, savage, with my son's handprint on it. What more can I ask for than that? This is my everything. My family, y'all, the business, everything in life, everything that I can do with the opportunities that life brings me. I'm happy. So thank y'all. So thanks again. Here's to another trip around the sun. We'll see y'all next time.